All right, let's move on to the Project Achievement Award. This award is presented to engineering or geoscience projects that contribute new technologies, processes, or innovations for the improvement of society. So congratulations to the Syantra Breast Cancer Detection Technology team. Let's learn more about this amazing project.
2024 Project Achievement Award recipient, Syantra DX Breast Cancer Detection Technology. A biomedical engineering breakthrough by Syantra Incorporated, a University of Calgary spin-off company, promises to revolutionize women's healthcare and save lives through the early detection and treatment of breast cancer. With a simple blood test, the Syantra DX breast cancer screening technology can quickly and accurately detect the presence of breast cancer before symptoms even arise. When the data showed the test worked, it was like a light bulb went off, recalls Dr. Christina Rinker, a biomedical engineering professor and Syantra's founder and chief science officer. She remembers saying, "We need to do whatever it takes to get this test implemented because it can save lives." A precision diagnostic tool was developed by a team of engineers, technologists, and clinicians and uses proprietary custom software to measure 12 unique RNA biomarkers from whole blood. Artificial intelligence algorithms in the software interpret the data and provide a positive or negative result. Clinical trials in Calgary, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Korea show the test has an overall accuracy of 92% and a 98.5% accuracy in women under 50. The idea for Syantra DX was sparked more than a decade ago at Dr. Rinker's research lab at the Schulich School of Engineering. It's a result of regional and global collaborations, scientific discovery, and a relentless determination to transform health outcomes for women by changing the standard of care. Syantra DX is approved for use in Canada, Europe, and the United States. Taking the technology from concept to commercialization was an enormous task achieved with the support of many government, industry, and healthcare partners. Says Dr. Rinker, "You need to have persistence, but if you keep pushing past barriers, make a plan and don't give up, you can realize your goals." She hopes the test will be used to help more women identify breast cancer at its earliest stages when it's most treatable. Women at greatest need are those with dense breast tissue, making cancer harder to detect, and women under 50 who are more likely to develop aggressive forms of breast cancer but are not typically screened for the disease. Syantra's long-term vision is to become a global provider of blood screening tests for other invasive diseases, including ovarian, pancreatic, and blood cancers. Adds Dr. Rinker, "I am inspired by the possibilities to advance health and motivated by the challenges in bringing health technologies to the market." For these achievements, we recognize the project team for the Syantra DX Breast Cancer Detection Technology, APEGA's 2024 Project Achievement Award recipient.
And accepting the award tonight are Dr. Christina Rinker and Robert Shepard. Here they are for their paparazzi moment.
Thank you very much. We're excited to be here, Bob and I here today to accept this award on behalf of our team, our technology development team, and the co-founders of Syantra. So myself, Bob Shepard, Kin Fu, and Randy Moore. I want to thank APEGA, thank the organization and our colleagues here. I'd also like to thank the University of Calgary Schulich School of Engineering for the nomination and for all their support over the years. So this started over a decade ago. You might think, how has engineering evolved in a blood test for breast cancer? Blood test. But really, it's the principles of engineering. It's the organized approach, the design principles, the trying to develop a technology that you can not only do once or twice, or a small number, be able to scale this, to be able to affect lives around the world. And with those starting principles, we developed this technology, we validated this technology, and we continue to expand across the world. So thank you for your support, and we look forward to working together to improve the lives of Albertans, Canadians, and the global community.
It's so nice to be recognized by our professional colleagues, and just the support we've gotten in Alberta has been fantastic. On the business side, as we began this journey, as Tina said a decade ago, the government of Alberta, Alberta Innovates, IRAP got behind our crazy idea and really allowed us to achieve what we've done. So having done this in Alberta is quite special. We're very proud to have done that, and thank you so much for this award.
Congratulations once again, Dr. Christina Rinker and Mr. Shepard and the entire Syantra team here. I'm just blown away by listening and thinking to myself how future generations, your daughter, doctor, will not have to worry anymore, you know, and to think of our children and grandchildren in the future. Oh, I'm getting all emotional. Thank you very much for your revolutionary work in women's healthcare. That means so much.